Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hoop Journey on Roblox Mobile. To begin your journey, make sure you have the Roblox application installed on your phone or tablet. Once Roblox is open, simply type Hoop Journey into the search bar at the top of your screen. Then, select the game and press the distinct green play button to enter the courts. This quick setup ensures you are ready for action in under 1 minute. Moving your player is straightforward. Simply use the virtual joystick located on the left side of your mobile screen. To gain a better perspective of the court and other players, swipe your finger across the right side of the screen. This action controls your camera angle, allowing you to look around freely. Try combining movement with camera adjustments to keep opponents and the hoop in sight, ensuring you're always ready for your next move. Dribbling is essential for navigating the court. Just tap the dedicated dribble button on the right side of your display. When it's time to score, hold down the shooting button. You will see a power meter appear, which indicates the strength of your shot. Release the button precisely when the meter reaches its highest point for the best chance of sinking your basket. Timing is key to becoming a consistent scorer. Hoop Journey provides several exciting ways to play, catering to different preferences. You might encounter casual pickup games or more structured matches against other players. Look for specific areas or glowing portals on the map to enter various game modes, like the popular 3-on-3 or 5-on-5 matchups. These team-based games are excellent for earning experience points and valuable in-game currency, helping you progress within the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.